Pepe coin holders, are you paying attention to what's going on in the cryptocurrency space? Because we are seeing some signals indicating that we are getting ready for some big moves. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi. Let's get into this video. All right, guys. So when we are looking at Pepe right now on the daily time frame, we are in basically a zone of indecision and consolidation. You can see Market Cipher is spamming these green and red dots on the bottom of the momentum wave. 1 second it's a buy signal, the next second it's a sell signal. But guys, we're just consolidating, okay? You need to be patient here because there are some signals that are superseding these lower time frame signals. If you look at the weekly as well, you can see that it doesn't look that good. You know, it shows that basically we see a sell signal on the momentum wave and the money flow is coming down. But we need to be looking at the overall cryptocurrency market right now, guys. We're gonna get into this. We're gonna pick this apart. So Pepe is sitting at rank 24 right now, up about 2.46% in the past 7 days, down about 3.7 in the past 24 hours. When you're looking at the market cap, we're sitting at a $7.54 billion market cap, guys, okay? And about $1 billion 24-hour volume. It's still significant. I'm not going to lie, guys. Seeing Pepe on Robinhood, you're going to see a lot of volume. It is a huge exchange. They have really made a name for themselves in the traditional market. In last bull market cycle, they really made a name for themselves in the crypto market. But I will say there is some controversy. They listed Solana, took Solana off, listed coins, took coins off at basically, they listed at the high, took them off at the low, forced people to sell. But I digress. Robinhood is still one of the largest exchanges, and in my opinion, a mainline exchange to retail investors, especially for cryptocurrency, guys. So it is very, very nice to see Pepe on Robinhood. We saw a very nice pump, and we're always going to be seeing this high volume unless we go into a bear market, and no, guys, we are not in a bear market. I do think that we're getting ready to see massive moves here for cryptocurrency and altcoins across the board, and we're going to get into that. But if you agree with that and you think now is a good time to be buying that dip, guys, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blowfin, click this link, deposit, trade a little bit of money, you get a bunch of money, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. No other exchange is offering this right now. Please take advantage of it. I've been trading in the cryptocurrency space for nearly a decade, and this is the first bull market where these exchanges are starting to offer rebates and basically percentages off trading fees. It's a very good deal. So when you look at the overall market, Bitcoin's trading at $93,427. The important takeaway here, though, is Bitcoin dominance sitting at 56.52%. So we're seeing Bitcoin dominance sell off. But the altcoins, they're not doing much. So you may ask, maxi, what does that mean? And I'm going to explain this to you guys, all right? So when you're looking at Bitcoin dominance, we are breaking down here. We have sell signals on Market Cipher. Money flow is coming out. It looks good. Bitcoin dominance is prepped to go further down. But what you're seeing happening right now is you can see Bitcoin dominance break down, but at the same time, you can see Bitcoin make moves to the downside and altcoins make moves to the downside. All that's happening is people are selling out of their altcoins into stable coins, and people are selling their Bitcoin into stable coins. People are taking profits. Really, people are probably panic selling. But you can see Bitcoin dominance break down as the entire market comes down. And I do think that that may be the beginning of this ignition of altcoin season. And I'll be honest with you guys, when you're looking at this, the breakdown hasn't even really started, okay? We're seeing some consolidation here, but all this really is, in my opinion right here, is a lower high, a bearish signal, and we're getting ready to see this break down. Now, you may see that we break down while the entire market breaks down, but really, in my opinion, I feel like it's when you see the market breaking down, altcoin season breaking down with it, it's weakening Bitcoin dominance. And then when Bitcoin stabilizes, that's when you're going to see altcoins make a significant catch up. And I think that it's probably going to be playing very, very shortly here. When you look at Bitcoin, I've been talking about these levels for a while now. These yellow lines between 88,000 and 85,000 in this ballpark area. We do not want to see candle closures below this level, okay? If we break into this yellow channel here, I will say, okay, it looks like we are getting ready for a much more prolonged bull market, which is a good thing for some people, but it means that we probably won't see big gains into the later end of 2025, which is basically a year from now, guys. And I know a lot of people don't want to wait that long, but I do think that it would be beneficial. We would be seeing Pepe make much higher moves, seeing altcoins across the board making much higher moves if we do see that Q4 2025 blow off top, crazy mania, retail FOMO. You're going to see higher price targets. But if we stay above 88,000 and we're consolidating above, say, even 90,000, between 90 and 88,000, if we're consolidating above that level, then I do expect that we probably start to see our next legs up in Q1 of 2025. So that's only a couple days away, guys. I mean, right now it's December 29th. You got 2 days left until we're into Q1 of 2025. And I do expect that January is going to be a confusing month. I think a lot of people expect a big sell-off. I think a lot of people expect a big sell-off. But I think there's going to be a lot of confusion with January. And if we do get that sell-off, I expect it in the first half of January, followed by some slow grind back up. And I think Q1 2025 will probably perform very well. And I'm going to expect Bitcoin dominance to continue to break down. And I'm going to expect Pepe to make probably all-time highs, guys, especially when Bitcoin dominance breaks below, say, 55%. Honestly, below, if we can get into the high 40s, then altcoin season is going to be bumping and roaring, guys. And I do expect Pepe to make all-time highs. I think Pepe can probably go to obscene numbers. Now, in some of my videos, I've talked about a $100 billion market cap for Pepe. I think that there's a less likelihood chance of that happening if we see the high of this market in Q1 2025. But if we see it in Q4 2025, I think there's a much higher probability chance of seeing something like that play out. So we're going to be paying very close attention to Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin's price level, and where are we getting those that weekly, monthly candle closures on Bitcoin. Now, guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please go follow me at 333blackc on Instagram and Twitter. If I can get to 1,000 followers on Instagram in the next 24 hours, I will give one of you guys $1,000. I'm going to keep doing this giveaway until I get to 1,000 followers. So go follow me. Maybe you'll win $1,000. But that's all I got for you guys. Please check out those awesome referral links down below. We have that $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. So even if you don't want to trade right now and you want to buy that dip in the next bear market, get grandfathered into that 10% off all the trading fees, because that link is going to disappear when this bull market is over, I assume. But that's all I got, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye.